Well, a who's who of Australian manufacturing staged a power meeting in Sydney today. Industry execs have put a bold master plan for recovery on the negotiating table. It includes asking Canberra to back a proposal for cheap natural gas for manufacturing. Here's Simon Palin.
It's the latest casualty of the ailing manufacturing sector. Soap maker Cussons has closed its Melbourne plant, costing 92 jobs. As Australia's mining sector continues to boom, manufacturing job losses have been coming thick and fast.
Many in the manufacturing sector are doing it tough. That's why the government has been talking about the patchwork economy.
Now Australia's biggest manufacturers have pitched a master plan to resurrect the sector, which is being squeezed by the high Australian dollar and cheap Asian imports. Firstly, they want better implementation of anti-dumping laws.
I don't think most people in Australia really understand the impact of what cheap dumped imports are doing to this economy.
And they say overly bureaucratic government regulation is having a similar effect.
It's a bit like there's a forest with an orienteering program for bureaucrats and they kind of get lost because they haven't got the instructions.
They're also demanding changes to workplace laws.
Job security can only be achieved through flexibility and improvements in productivity.
And manufacturers have also suggested that a portion of Australia's natural gas be reserved exclusively for local manufacturers to use at well below world prices.
This is a country strategy that is begging to be put in place.
Access to domestic sources of energy by Australian manufacturers is made difficult by policy confusion.
Manufacturing's share of economic output in Australia has fallen from 14% to 8.6% in the last 20 years. The sector says it needs to rebuild for when the resources boom ends.